What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at the Cold Steel Engage. This is the more premium version with the S35 blade steel. So let's get to it. This is the first Cold Steel Engage that I got. This is the smaller version to this one in the less premium blade steel. It has the 4116 stainless steel, and this has the S35BN. And obviously quite a bit difference in size, I would imagine. Yeah, definitely I can tell even before I get out of the box that, yeah, even though the blade is not a whole lot bigger, but the knife in general is a lot bigger, a lot girthier, thicker, all the way around. Whew, yeah, that's a beefy knife right there. You're not gonna, with this finger guard, you can prevent from slipping up on the blade, but you can also choke up on it really nicely. Gives you plenty of room to choke up on it if you need to. Some nice thick blade steel. So yeah, you can totally see the difference between the two of them. But yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. And these are on sale currently right now. It is January 2015, 2025. And you know, so right now you can get these a little cheaper than they were when they first came out. So that's always good. But yeah, this feels real. This one here, I mean, it's not bad in the hand. It's okay. It's a little on the thin side and kind of sits in your hand. But, I mean, it's not terrible. But if you're looking for a good, hard-to-use knife, this is definitely a little more up your alley. Like I said, the fact that you can choke up on it is really nice, too, in case you really need to have a better grip at something. But yeah, that's really nice. You know, the Atlas lock, it's a little, does take a little getting used to. Kind of like the Recon one, it sits a little bit far back. But for the most part, not too bad. It's a little stiff, but I'm sure it'll break in pretty good too. You can, kind of like the Recon, you can actually just kind of move the leather, and it's not gonna, the blade's not gonna hit your hand, because I do that with the Recon 1 too. But yeah, very, very nice. Waited probably a little too long to try it out, but we got a flat grind with a hollow grind, where I think that this is, yeah, I guess this is still a little bit of a hollow grind. It's just harder to tell because it's so much thinner. But yeah, very, very nice. Very impressed. Obviously, keep in mind the Atlas lock is still not going to be as strong as like the Recon one. But this is a little more of an EDC knife. You could do pretty hard use knife, but I've seen guys torture test these, and the Atlas lock tends to not hold up quite as good as like a Recon one. But anyway, here you guys go. That's just an unboxing of the Cold Steel Engage, the more premium version in S35BN. Alright guys, have a great day. We'll catch you next time.